Welcome to HGC. Today, let's make a new kind of grenadine. As you know, grenadine is one of those many syrups that any home bar or professional bar has. But sometimes there's a problem. Grenadine is traditionally made with pomegranate, and there may be some persons out there who can no longer consume anything that is made from pomegranate, pomegranate juices, etc. And that's kind of hard if you were thinking about using it to make a cocktail, mixed drink, or just to add a little different flavor to whatever fermented fluids that you like to consume. So, today I'm going to give you a different option. We're going to make our grenadine, or some persons pronounce it grenadine, whichever way you feel comfortable naming it. We're going to make one that's a little different, a more subtropical, because we are going to mix, first of all, raspberry syrup. And this one is made with only 3 ingredients, and a different kind of hibiscus. This hibiscus is more found in the Caribbean and Asia and other tropical places. It's called a sorrel, Sorrel. You can find both items on Amazon, and I would link it in the description if you feel that this is something that you want to try. Now we're going kind of cheap. No. We're going more cost effective with reference to our container and using this 49 cents plastic bottle. Look, fermented fluids are expensive, and we have to save money any way we can. So let's get our show on the road here. There's always something exciting when you hear that crack or that open of any bottle. So what we're gonna do? Open this. This. Let's give it a good shake. Shake. So we're using raspberry, which is more from a cold country, with our sorrel from the tropics. Then, I'm going to just put that aside for a moment. Crack this one open to make sure we get all of the little bit, because it costs money. We have to save, we have to make sure we get everything. The smell of that sorrel brings back such memories of Christmas and ooh, a little too much sauce right there. Okay, this can happen. Mistakes do happen from time to time. Put that over here. Yeah. Okay. You know what? Teachable moment right there. What we're gonna do is take this, put that right here. Put that over there. Take this. Delicious. And Cover that with that. Cover that with that. Shake it well. Make sure this is on properly. We don't want another, accident. Yep. And it's ready. Now we're gonna try a little bit of Jack Daniel's Tennessee honey. Taste before. It's so good. I'm hearing thunder and lightning outside saying this is amazing. And see, you can drop as little or as much as you want. Shake. Bring the flavors together. Shake, shake, shake. Ooh, that's good. It's very good. So, try it. Tell me what you think. In the meantime, share this video with your friends, family, or just somebody who needs a laugh after a hard day. Like, subscribe, share. And until we meet again, this is Sydney from HGC. You have a great day.